Today we are looking at the topic elements, compound and mixture. A substance is that with which all things are made of. Whether elements, compound or mixtures, they are all substances. Now, a substance is that with which all things are made of. Elements, compound and mixtures, they are all substances. Now let's take the definition of each of these items. 1. Element. We have earlier said that matter is anything that has matter and occupies space. Substances are forms of matter. Elements, compound, and mixtures are matter. So we are taking them one after the other. Element. An element is a substance that cannot be separated into simpler substances by chemical means. You can as well say that an element is a substance that consists of only one type of matter. Examples are, as shown on the board, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, so on and so forth. Now, the second is a compound. A compound is a substance composed of two or more elements chemically united in fixed proportion. Examples of compounds are shown on the board: sodium chloride, water, tetrahydrosulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, so on and so forth. These are examples of compounds. Mixture. A mixture is a combination of two or more substances in which each substance retains their distinct identities. Now, examples of some mixtures are salt water, blood, petroleum, Sprite, so on and so forth. Let's consider an illustrative example. Example 1. Which of the following is a mixture? The options are A. Sulfur powder, B. Bronze, C. Distilled water, D. Ethanol. The correct option is B. Bronze. Bronze is a mixture of copper and tin. Option A is wrong. Sulfur powder, sulfur is an element. Option C is equally wrong. Distilled water is a compound. Option D is equally wrong. Ethanol is a compound. The only mixture on the board is B, which is the correct option. Let's consider a second example. Which of the following is not an element? The options are A. Helium, B. Neon, C. Argon, D. Carbon 2 oxide. The correct option is D. Carbon 2 oxide is a compound consisting of carbon and oxygen, but all other options are elements. Helium is an element, neon is equally an element, argon is also an element. So the correct option is D, carbon 2 oxide. It is a compound. The third example is as shown on the board. Elements cannot be classified as, the options are A. Metals, B. Non-metals, C. Metalloids, D. Compounds. The correct option is D. D is a compound. A compound, we have earlier said, consists of two or more elements that are chemically combined together. A is a metal, it's an element. B is a non-metal, it's also an element. C, a metalloid, is also an element. So the correct option is D, which is a compound. The fourth example is as shown on the board. The properties of a mixture excludes. The options are A. It has a variable composition, B. It is always homogeneous, C. It cannot be represented by a chemical formula, D. Its properties are the sum of the properties of its constituents. The correct option is B. It is always homogeneous. Mixtures can as well be heterogeneous. That is why B is the correct option. Now, let's consider the following options. A. It has a variable composition. It is true, mixtures have variable compositions. C. It cannot be represented by a chemical formula. Definitely, mixtures cannot be represented by a chemical formula. D. Its properties are the sum of the properties of its constituent. These are properties of mixture. And so the only correct option is B. It is always homogeneous. It is not true. Mixtures could be homogeneous as well as heterogeneous. Question 5. Which of the following property is not true about a compound? The options are A. It is always homogeneous. It is true, a compound is always homogeneous. B. The component elements are chemically combined together. That is true of compounds. Elements are combined in fixed composition by mass. C. The components are present in a fixed ratio. That is a property of a compound. All compounds, the components are present in a fixed ratio. D. It may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. No, compounds are always homogeneous and never heterogeneous. And consequently, the correct answer is D.